Good day. It's the 15th of February and got up late. Yeah, got up late. Got so tired yesterday. We're checking out the room now. Yep. Just check out of the hotel right now. And yeah, start traveling. Damn, I got a headache again. It's back. Hope I'll be okay. Let's go. So I came over to the oyster shop and bad luck. It's closed for 4 weeks. Damn. Alright, let's go. Just my luck. Got a flat tire today and I need to change it. Damn it. Okay, I got the tire fixed. We're gonna travel a bit now, but I'm gonna have it fixed once we cross the island. Yeah. KFC premieres in 2018. I don't know if you can see it, it's so tiny over there. It says premieres 2018. So a bit of delay here. Tires flat earlier, so I had to have it fixed. That way I won't worry about it when we travel. But yeah, a bit of delay over time frame. It's around 11 a.m. and we haven't done anything. A lot of traveling to do, but we'll do our best. I'm tired. Okay, I'm in here at McLaren Street, and as you can see there's a big sandbar over there, and yeah, that's so cool. Sandbar. Though we don't have much time, we have only 6 hours left in this island, so we'll see how it goes. But yeah, that's it. Kind of low tide today. Actually, I know nothing about this island. I'm just here as a tourist and I didn't research much. So yeah, I'm just gonna show you what I see. Just had a flat tire earlier. That's what I've said, and a bit of delay, but we'll try to make the most out of our 6 hours here left in Kangaroo Island. Them pelicans. Hi there, pelicans. Hi, pelicans. How are you going, mate? You're so scary big, guys. Hi there, pelicans. Hi, pelicans. Hi. I want to go near. Let's go. Hi there, pelicans. How are you guys going? Please don't eat me. Hi. They might bite me. I don't know. Going back. What if it's open? It's open. Yep, it is. I'll take a picture of the bus first. There's the bus. Free honey tasting. Honeycomb ice cream. Yeah. Beeswax. Bit the fudge. Tagsa ta. Hold on. Fudge and ice cream. Ooh. So the first destination we have for today was fix the tires, and then after fixing the tires we went to the bee house, bee something. But now I'm here. I don't have a drone though, but this is a salt lake that we have here. Check it out. So it's made of salt. Let's go, let's check it out. Go near. So it's a huge clearing of salt. Oh, what are these? They have this ones here. I'll show you guys. Seems like my ND filter is like not functioning well. That's a bit. Nope. So I don't know what are these. I think these are somewhat like traps for the crabs. Oh, there's quite a lot here. So that's the salt. It's a salt lake. My ND filter is not functioning well. But yeah, there it is. You can listen to the salt sound. So yeah, this is a salt lake. So we're gonna go to the next location, which is somewhat a lavender thing. I don't know. Oh, I'm gonna take a photo. Okay, my ND filter is kind of weird. I'm not really used to having an ND filter on my camera, but I need it for cinematic look. And yeah, I'm getting back to the car now. Oh, look at that tree. I'll take a photo. Next location is MU Bay Lavender, which is over there. Let's go. Colors are dull. Currently here at the MU Bay, and it's quite hot today, low tide, though I can see some 4x4s up there on the beach mobbing. We don't have a 4x4, so might as well go back to the car and go to the next location. It's around 12:46, nearly 1 o'clock. It's getting late. We should move on. Yeah. Check out those trees at the back. Oh, I can't show it to you guys. Somewhere there, there's a lot of dead trees and tree stumps and everything in there. Oh, yeah. It was nice when it was driving because it's moving, but I can't drive and film. Yeah, we're currently at the road right now, and we're heading towards Stokes Bay. We're gonna go check out the rock pools or the rock pool cafe. So we're just gonna get something to eat, and then that's it. But it's really good today. It's warm. We come over this part of the area, and I see some big bulls. So I just can't resist but check them out. There they are, bulls. Big cows. They're looking at me. That guy there's stunned. These guys are staring at me bad.